Hi, hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Vijay Girturi, and in this particular video, we are going to discuss about how to change the default port number of Apache Tomcat. And in previous video, we have seen how to install and set up Apache Tomcat 10 on Amazon Linux EC2 instance. And in this video, we are going to see how to change the default port number of Apache Tomcat. For this, first we need to log in into the AWS Management Console, and we need to create an Amazon EC2 instance. So in previous video, I have created an EC2 instance, so I will use that EC2 instance. I will start the instance, start instance, and it takes nearly 30 seconds to come to running state, and I will keep instance state is equal to running, and it will show here all the running instances. You can see the instance is in running state, and let's connect to our virtual machine by using SSH connections. You need to copy the public IP of our EC2 instance and SSH EC2-user, and here you should give the path of the key pair. So first we need to update our instance by using sudo yum update. Then we need to become a root user, so sudo -i to become a root user, and we can see ls. And in this video, let's see how to change the default port number of Apache Tomcat. So let's enter into the Tomcat directory, cd Tomcat, and let's start our Tomcat server. So we need to enter into the bin directory again, cd bin ls. You can see here startup.sh to start our Tomcat server. sh startup.sh. Tomcat has been started. Let's access with port 8080. The default port number of Apache Tomcat is 8080. So let's access with port 8080. 8080. And this is the web interface of Tomcat. Let's log in. Username is Vijay. Password is Vijay123. And you can see the Tomcat web interface. And let's change the port number. The default port number of Apache Tomcat is 8080, and let's change this 8080 to 8000, not 8000, any of the custom like 80 or 8000, 9000, it may be anything. So for this, first we need to enter into here, and let's step back, ls. You need to enter into the conf directory, cd conf, and you need to enter here server.xml. You need to add your port number here. So let's enter into the file vam server.xml. Set number, and you need to come to 68th line, to this line. You can see the default port number of Apache Tomcat is 8000, and let's change to 8000. Sorry, the default port number of Apache Tomcat is 8080, and let's change this to 8000. See, I have changed this to 8000, and I will save this file. And first we need to shut down our Tomcat server, and again you need to enter into the bin directory. You can see here shutdown. You need to shut down our Tomcat by using sh shutdown.sh. And when you reload this, the page will not be loaded because we shut down the server. And let's remove this, and let's access with port, and let's start Tomcat server first. ls startup.sh, and here you can see startup. Here you can see startup.sh to start our Tomcat server. You can see Tomcat started, and let's access with port. First let's access with port 8080. The default port number of Apache Tomcat is 8080. So let's access with, it will throw an error because we changed the default port number to 8080 to 8000. You can see the site can't be reached. And let's access with port 8000. You can see the web interface of Tomcat, and let's log in into the Tomcat. The username is Vijay and the password is Vijay123, and let's log in, and you can see Tomcat Web Application Manager, and let's change this to 8000 to again 80, and let's change. We need to enter into the conf directory ls. You need to enter into the conf directory again ls. You need to enter here server.xml file. So vim server.xml and set number. In 68th line we should change the port number, and again I will change the port number to 8000 to 80. You can see I have changed the port number to 8000 to 80, and I will save this file, and I will step back again. First we need to shut down our Tomcat server. So you need to enter into the bin directory, and again you need to do ls. You need to shut down first by using sh shutdown.sh. And now when you reload this, the page will not be loaded because we shut down the Tomcat server. Even if we start the Tomcat server, it will not load because we changed the port number to 8000 to 80. And let's again start sh startup.sh. You can see Tomcat started, and we changed the port number to 8000 to 80, but it will not load. It will continuously. You can see the site can't be reached here. And let's access with port 80, and let's copy the public IP address of our EC2 instance. We'll paste it here and 80, and you can see the web interface of Tomcat. And let's log in again. The username is Vijay and the password is Vijay123. You can see Tomcat Web Application Manager. And these are the steps to change the port number of Apache Tomcat. And in previous video, I said how to install and set up Apache Tomcat 10 on Amazon Linux EC2 instance. And in this video, I said how to change the default port number of Apache Tomcat. And if you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe guys, and bye.